Today, we're going to show you how to easily find a list's URL on Twitter using your PC. First, navigate to the list for which you want to obtain the URL. This can be done by accessing your Lists section on Twitter and selecting the specific list you're interested in. Next, look for the share icon located at the top of the list. Click on this icon to reveal a pop-up menu with various sharing options. From the pop-up menu, choose the option that says Copy Link to List. By selecting this option, the URL of the list will be instantly copied to your clipboard, ready for you to use. Finding and copying a list's URL on Twitter is a quick and straightforward process that can be very useful for sharing the list with others or saving it for future reference. Having the list's URL readily available allows you to easily share it with friends, colleagues, or followers, enabling them to access the list directly with a simple click. By mastering this simple technique, you can efficiently manage your lists on Twitter, share valuable content with your network, and enhance your overall social media experience. Now that you know how to find and copy a list's URL on Twitter, you can streamline your interactions, stay organized, and make the most out of the lists feature on the platform. Start exploring and sharing your favorite lists on Twitter today.